Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got us another subscription box. This one comes to us from Watch Gang. Very excited about getting a new watch. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. I really greatly appreciate you. Watch Gang, you ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with Watch Gang, and as always, if you are interested in this particular subscription service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video where you can go check them out and see for yourself if this is something you'd be interested in. But if you want me to go ahead and catch you up, give you a little information, they got 3 levels you can choose from. Let's see here. They got an original tier, which is $59.99 per watch. The watch carries a value up to $150. And that watch will feature Swiss or Japanese quartz movement. And with every watch you get entered in to win a Rolex. That's right. It's not bad. Then if you want to step it up a little bit, you can step up to a black tier. That's $119.99. That, per watch, but that watch carries up to a value of $500. So not bad. And same, it carries a Swiss or Japanese quartz movement, and it enters you into win one of those Rolex watches that they give away. Now, if you really want to go big dog, you want to go all out, they have the Platinum tier. Platinum tier is $319.99 per watch, with a watch carrying up to a value of $1,500. This tier is, these are automatic watches, okay? So that's what you got, automatic watches in that tier. Still get entered to win a Rolex, so, just, you get that, so, ooh, man, I'm excited. Okay, real quick, so if you guys watch any of my other videos, like my knife videos and stuff, I always have this watch on, this tank. This is a tank of a watch. I have small, let's see. Okay, let me see how I can say this without being very mean and disrespectful to myself. I'm a small frame guy. I don't have big bones. Yeah, I like that. I'm small frame. But this is a Garmin Tactics Delta Solar watch. Okay, very big. This is a huge watch. Compare it to something like this. This is a fossil watch that I've had forever and ever. You compare the two, like the Garmin could eat this watch, And to be fair with you, I've worn this watch so long, when I put this watch on my wrist, it looks weird to me because I've gotten used to this big old thing. But just to give you another size comparison, this is my Casio G-Shock, and you can see the size difference there. Still, the Garmin's still a lot bigger. So, I just noticed my battery's dead. God, dog, it's always something. Ooh, man, look at what we got here, and I already like what I'm seeing. Guys, we got a box that says Dugena. Okay, so Dugena is probably like what a watch like Casio, like this G-Shock, is to us in America. This is a very popular watch. This watch right here is hugely, insanely popular. It's had a very huge run, at least when the batteries work. So Dugena is a very popular brand in Germany. Actually, I think it's one of the most popular brands in Germany, if I think right. I don't live in Germany. Man, come on, man, I'm in Lower Alabama, man. Give me a break. So anyway, let's see what we got. Ooh, man, look at this here. Oh, man, I like that. I like that. Okay, we got some stuff that we don't want to eat. We'll save that for later. And then we got our little book. Man, I need my glasses for this. Woo. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got the Dugena Premium. Okay, we got but that's a pretty watch. I like that. I really like that. It's got that white face. We got a chronograph. Okay, so we have a second hand down below. So our big sweeper there on the dial there is going to be obviously for the chronograph, not for the watch, because our second hand for the watch is down here on the bottom, which is not a problem. And let's see, we got a kind of clasps do we got? Okay, we got a normal little clasp system here, no big deal. And we got a price tag. All right, so let's see what they asking for this watch. Okay, so this watch at least carries a manufacturer's price. Hopefully that will focus, of $250, $249 even. So that's what this would, retail for in the retail space. Boy, look at that big stainless steel. Let's see, Dugena Premium stainless steel, 3 atmospheres of water resistance, which basically means this watch is safe to wash your hands with it on and get it wet. Don't do anything really other than that. Very thick, beefy. I'm just going to assume this is going to be a stainless steel band as well. There's no reason not to assume that it's not a stainless steel band. We do have kind of a slider on the locking mechanism here. And the way you adjust this is, this inside little piece here, you just get you a little screwdriver or something, you pry it up, and then this piece will slide back and forth on the band, and it feeds all the extra. Well, when you put the watch on, it will feed over like this, kind of like that. Okay, so I'll give you a quick flyover of the watch as I'm looking at it, and we'll go through it and we'll see what we got here. It's a very pretty watch. And to be a Dugena Premium, these are, like I said, these are very popular watch brand anyway. And moving down from the band, it's a very pretty band. I don't know what else to say. It's a very pretty band. Moving down to the watch face, we are going to be rocking a sapphire crystal glass on our case here for the watch. Very pretty dial. We're going to more than likely have a 2-position crown, and I'm assuming that the pushers, like the pusher on the top there, is going to be to probably reset the chronograph or to start it, and then the bottom is probably going to be to reset it. Might be backwards, but does have a date indicator on there as well. So that's really nice, man. This is just a very, I'm going to say elegant type watch. I don't know what else to say to you, but I tell you what, let's do this. Let's put it up against Big Bertha here and see, and I'll give you a size comparison so you can see just how big, how this watch looks compared to my Garmin Tactics Delta. And you know what? Just for giggles, let's throw the non-working G-Shock in there too. So I'll give you a shot of all 3 of them so you can see how they look. You get an idea of the size. But I'm going to tell you what I want to do, right? I want to put this watch on. I want to see how it looks on me. Okay, all right. I tell you what, I like it. I like it. That's a good-looking watch. Very simple. I like the white on the face. It's not ivory, but it's not like Arctic white. It's kind of, it's a muted white. It looks really pretty, man. I really like it. I really dig on this watch. I like it. It's not, it's not that beefy. It's not heavy. It is stainless, so it does have, it's there. And, yeah, would you say that this would be like a good watch to take a night on the town with? I would say so. I mean, would you wear it with jeans? Well, hey, you know where I am. I'd wear this with jeans. I don't care. So, yeah. All right. So, this is awesome, man. I'm really excited, man. This is a really cool watch. So, we got us a Dugena. So, there we go. All right, guys. Sound off in the comment section down below. What do you think about this Dugena Premium watch from Watch Gang? And, we got some more watches coming. So, I'm going to be sprinkling these videos in with all of our knives and camping gear and outdoor survival gear and all that. But yeah, just for a very nice watch, I'm going to say this watch from Dugena is a absolute home run. This is a very cool watch. I'm glad this was one of the watches that they sent out. Yeah, awesome. I love it. Sound off in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Dugena watch. Do you have any experience with Dugena watches, or are you a fan? Let me know. And with that, guys, I am out of here. Hope to see you guys all in the next video. Peace.